In this video, I will show you how to enhance photo quality in Adobe Photoshop. Hello everyone, and in this video, I will show you how you can actually enhance a photo quality on Adobe Photoshop. So Adobe Photoshop is a application that you can access on browser as well as the app. Currently, I am using the browser version of Adobe Photoshop. So to be able to enhance this photo, head over into the adjust section, and then here you'll be able to find all of the features that you can use for your photo, such as the brightness and contrast, hue and saturation, exposure, vibrance, color balance, black and white, Gaussian blur, levels, and curves. So for example, I want to use the brightness or contrast. I'll simply click on that, and at the layer side, I can simply modify the brightness of the photo. Once you click on a specific feature under the adjust section, that will be added on the layer section, and on the layer section, you can modify how that feature will look like for your photo. Now, using this adjust tools, you can enhance your image on Photoshop. That is how you can simply enhance photo quality in Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.